Like, literally, well, when you remove the fish, yes. They have to see us. I'm like, well, you're going to keep hitting each other. It was so cute that she's like, yeah.
She loves
Like,
it.
well, she did. Right? You're silly. Hands on your knees.
Get up.
That was wonderful.
Sparkle, girl.
Yeah.
Go. Let me go.